Okay, I finally got to the point where my camera is on my helmet, so I'm gonna be able to talk. Good old VFR. Today I'm heading to Leshten. This is one very pretty place here in my country. It is situated in Rhodopa Mountain. The spring is coming. It's still cold, but I don't care because I'm on my bike. From the last time I've been on the road, I've changed my oil and my filter, so only my rear tire is left to be replaced. But someday, I think I still have 1 or 2 millimeters of grip. Anyway, it's too old. It was made in 2011, so it's 5 years ago. It's a Pirelli Strada Diablo, something like this. And I'm gonna get a Bridgestone, which is quite nice. It's good for long runs. I don't know if it's fatal or not, but when I replaced my oil on my own, I put a little bit more than that it's needed. It is about 2 millimeters above the maximum, so I was told that there is no problem, but let's see. Roads are not cleared, so if I want to park somewhere on the road, I gotta be very careful because there is sand everywhere and you could easily slip. And we are going over there up. There is one castle here, and I was there with friends of mine about 2 weeks ago, and it's so new, so nice. I don't know if my camera is pointed at that direction, but it's very, very good. Very nice place. There is spa there inside. Okay, mate, your turn. Let's stop here and move the camera. All right. Всичко хубаво и до скоро. Беше вкусна, както винаги.